On this production line right here, we build our small and medium VMCs. And then we ship them to machine shops and manufacturers on every continent. As one of the world's leading machine tool builders, this factory stays very busy. I'd like to show you how we get it done and why your next machine should be a Haas. So Haas makes a lot of machines. What does this mean for me? It means that nobody is better than Haas Automation at designing and building the machine that's right for you. Each and every machine is built in this single factory in Southern California, and our engineers are literally just feet away from the production floor. When a change needs to happen, they can be on the assembly line instantly implementing those changes. This ensures that the building process is constantly monitored, which allows us to maintain a level of quality that others can't match. Other machine tool builders with multiple factories spread all over the world just can't react as quickly. So how does Haas build machines? Every critical part is machined right here in our own machine shop by folks that have been doing this for decades. With over 50% of our machine shop using our own machines, we truly have Haas machines making Haas machines. Supervisors and managers are out on the floor. These guys don't have desks upstairs in the air conditioning. Issues are identified and attacked immediately. And improvements to the process are always being made by the machinists and builders who are actually doing the work. The assembly procedures here in the Haas factory follow a very strict protocol, with quality checks made continuously throughout the process. Work instructions and specifications are all communicated to the production floor via iPad. No more paperwork, which might have incorrect or obsolete instructions or specs. If engineering makes a change, when the assembler fires up his iPad, he receives a notification of that change. But the iPads aren't just for instructions. They also serve to create a live electronic record. Each machine, of course, has a serial number. And as the machine is built, the hundreds of measurements taken by hand are entered into this record, along with the assembler's name and badge number, allowing us to generate a detailed report for every machine coming off our assembly lines. These guys take pride in the machines they build, and the data is there to back it up. What about the components used on Haas machines? Because we build so many machines, we have a huge advantage when it comes to buying power. From linear guides and ball screws, to spindle bearings, to servo motors and vector drives, we don't have to cut corners to provide excellent performance. Great designs and serious volume is how we do it. How can I be sure of the quality of my machine? In addition to all the quality checks made during the build procedure, each machine has to pass a series of rigorous final inspections before it's signed off as complete. We put it through its paces just like you will when it's sitting on your shop floor. Geometry checks, a tool changer test, a ball bar test to accurately check simultaneous axis motion, a leak test, a vibration check to ensure the spindle is running perfectly, and of course, a final cut test to cap things off. Let's talk about this VF3SS, a 12,000 RPM spindle that generates as much as 45 horsepower, a super speed 30 pocket side mount tool changer, and 1400 inch per minute rapids. All of that standard. You also get Wi-Fi, our M130 media display, power failure detection, and Haas Connect machine monitoring, also standard. Every machine is built to order, so you only pay for the options you want. And with a wide array of spindles, chip and coolant management options, and the ability to easily turn your 3-axis mill into a 4 or 5-axis machine, you have the choices to customize your machine exactly the way you want. In other words, more machine for your money and more reasons why your next machine should be a Haas.